on your adventure.
And today I'm reviewing the Jetboil. Got a new Jetboil. I learned with my old Jetboil that you carry it on the top box or bag, not on the side. Unfortunately, I smashed it once, fixed it, and smashed it 2 more times real good, and it's unusable. So we got a new one. And I'll give you a look at the new one. Nice camo. If you're not familiar with the Jetboil, just getting into moto camping or have something else, you definitely just need to get one of these. Just get it over with and get the best. Comes with a lid, has a strainer. This hole is for the French press. I did not buy that option because I have the Keiko. You can drink out of it or pour out of it. This does not come with it, but these do fit inside, which is awesome. Self-contained cook system. Here's the burner, fits inside also, and the stand for the fuel canister. You just fold it out like so, and then you see if you have a big canister, you use the outside ones. The little canisters, use the inside ones. It just gives it a flat base. There is a 2 cups marking inside. Let's see if we can get that right there. 2 cups of water marking inside. The cool camo. This outer sleeve makes it so you can pick it up and pour it without burning yourself after it's hot. And this cool little flame looking thing, the dark part turns orange, and when it hits the top, you're boiling your water. I think it's 90 seconds for 1 cup, a little more for 2 cups. It is quick. It also comes with, on the bottom, to protect the coils. You can see the coils. All those coils make it so that it heats fast. But this is also a cup or bowl, and it is a measuring cup. 1 cup. Just flip this out like so. Make sure it's closed. And you screw it on. This is the igniter. Turn it on till you hear it. Start that bad boy up. See how much water you need. And you just slide this in. See these? They twist into that. Put your lid on. See these little indentations? Those go into those grooves that I just showed you. And you wait for this. As you can see, it's starting to turn orange. It starts to shake. You start to see steam coming out. Then you know you're boiling. And you just grab it by the handle. Pour it into your food. Set it aside, let it cool down. That was real quick. Probably a 5-minute process there, if that, to get to where we're at. So anyway, if you don't have a Jetboil, you like to moto camp, you like to camp, you like to hike, backpack, etc., I'd highly suggest just get it. Other than that, there's nothing that touches this thing. It's bad ass. Love my Jetboil. All right, there you have it. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for tuning in. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.